In front of me is Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the top left corner of this section. Then use this plus at the bottom right one to add a new one, and after setting up an hour, hit OK to add your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. At the top, name it and hit OK. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Tap on this plus next to pause alarm to exclude some dates, and then hit OK to save them. To remove them, use remove button right next to them. If you want to change sound of your alarm, click on this bell. Decide if you wish to download Spotify and YouTube Music. And if you do, click on one of them and log in to use music from it. If you don't, select sounds and tap on add new to pick any song from your device or apply one of those sounds. Then use this icon to add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine. And to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher next to it. And to get rid of it, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!